We set sail from Granville very early and are heading towards Sark, one of the Channel Islands.
It's going to be wet.
Have I told you before that we have that kind of luck that whenever Rich and I have a watch together, it almost always rains? Are they trying to tell me something up there or what? The weather, as you can see out the radar, is challenging. We just have to go through it. Somewhere around here, a little bird is flying and it keeps circling us because it's very difficult for it to fly now. So it hides here. It almost hit me on the head. It's flying blindly. And now it flew away towards the sun. There's a bit of a breeze and we reef the sails. Reefing is reducing the sail area to sail more safely, better control the yacht and reduce the heel. Contrary to appearance, a smaller sail doesn't necessarily mean lower speed. It's all about the heel.
Should I go? Yes, as much as pull it down. Okay, tell us that head. Drugi stronę.
A deeper heel, meaning the yacht is leaning more to the one side, increases the hull resistance during the vessel's movement on the water. It slows down the leeward side, less heel, less resistance, and greater speed. The incline is indicated by the inclinometer, a simple device, and you already know that if it is more than 20%, you need to reduce the heel angle. For us to reef, we have to go to the mast. In challenging conditions, you have to be very careful. We practiced man overboard maneuver recently, and it didn't go well. Marcin knows about it. He is clipped in. Sark on the horizon. Land ho!
Richard, put the second reef back in.
And now the whole operation again. We raise the sail because the wind is more reasonable. Pływamy do Sark, już widać, już całkiem niedaleko. Przemokliśmy mocno, przynajmniej nasza wachta z Rysiem była taka, że 2 godziny lało i to tak pruło po prostu. Ja się suszę na wietrze, wystawiając tyłek na wszystkie strony, bo gdzie siądę, to zostawiam mokre packi. Nie popuszczam. Ale teraz jest słonecznie i ładnie. Prędkość mamy szaloną, 46 mil, zrobiliśmy ile? 6 godzin? Dobrze jest. A small clarification. Actually we said 48 miles in 6 hours. Ha! We approach Sark. My task is to handle the anchor windlass. This is a switch for the anchor dropping and lifting. And here we are at that point. And you are going to touch land. No słuchajcie, jak tak spojrzeć tutaj z brzegu na zatoczkę, no to jedyni porządni żeglarze, prawdziwi żeglarze, pełną gębą żeglarze, to my, no bo tylko my mamy przemoczone ciuchy. Każdy to może interpretować po swojemu. Inni wiedzieli, że będzie padało, nie wypłynęli.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.
Idziemy się
Way
wykąpać?
back a year ago. I've changed.
The island, well, we know already what it's like, so a quick break and we continue our sailing.
I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time.
Odpływamy Sark jeszcze na silniku po skały, bo musimy się ustawić do wiatru. To co, podnieśliśmy kotwicę, robi się kawusia i płyjemy, przeskakujemy Channel, znany kanał La Manche przez niektórych. I płyniemy dalej. No, technicznie to my jesteśmy w Wielkiej Brytanii, tak? Ale tak naprawdę Channel Islands mają swoją niezależność, więc płyniemy do Wielkiej Brytanii dalej.
Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
And how and where we will actually arrive, I'll tell you in the next episode. So long, bye!